Hi, so we are going to scrape the sides of this cake and make it super, super smooth. I am starting with a crusting buttercream. If you're unfamiliar with that, it is any crusting buttercream will have half of it being unsalted butter and half of it being a high ratio shortening to give it stability. And it really crusts really well. It's great for decorating. It's just wonderful. So I've applied that to the cake and now I'm using just an acrylic scraper and to get the sides as smooth as possible. And then I'll go back and scrape the top as well and making it level and smooth as possible. Now, you'll still see a few imperfections, a few lines throughout the icing, and then you'll see me follow up with a Viva paper towel. It has to be the Viva brand. It has to be their signature cloth that has no design on it. And you'll notice when you go to use it that there is a softer side to that paper towel. You want the softer side against your cake. And I go back with my hand first, and you'll see me do that shortly, to apply the Viva paper towel to the sides and really smooth out those imperfections. And then I go back with a fondant smoother and the Viva paper towel just to make it really super straight and really super perfect. So the heat from your hand, this portion of the process really helps to get those fine lines out. You don't want to do this to get out large chunks of icing or large imperfections, but those fine lines that are left behind from the scraper, maybe you have a small air bubble or something like that, this really will smooth it out. This method really has saved me a number of times over the years and really will give you that nice smooth finish that you want for decorative cakes.